there everyone, Erica here from Highway 49 RC. If you want to support the making of videos just like this one, become a member of the channel. Anyways, today I have brought out the MOA for a bit of a romp around, as I'm sure all of you are super excited to see. I have been driving this thing around the park here recently, and I've got a few lines that I want to show you guys that really showcase what this rig can do and what it can't. There are definitely some downfalls right now that I want to get addressed in the next episode. So, let's get to it. Try and combat by stiffening up the suspension. So just by applying throttle, just slightly, it wants to flip itself over because the suspension is just so soft that as soon as I give it any input, it just wants to flop over. So hopefully some firmer springs will help with that. Maybe stiffer shock oil or an extra hole in the piston, or no, a piston with one less hole might also help. This right here is another spot that I was describing, or that has the same issue that I was describing earlier. At least I ran into it a few times before, but it seems like we're gonna get it. Hell yeah! Look at that. That noise you hear that sounds like a bad gear mesh is actually my rear motor skid plate vibrating on the axle housing here. So I'll need to just put like something either in between there or bend the skid plate away from the housing a little bit, because it's super annoying and could override the sound of an actual bad gear mesh, and then I wouldn't know if something's getting destroyed, you know? So that should be an easy fix, but something annoying nonetheless. Thus, another issue, tires are super firm and very bouncy, as you can see. Again, something that's definitely gonna have to be worked on. It's a little annoying right now because I can't really do some of the crawling that I'd like to, but hopefully that'll get taken care of with some better foams, maybe comp cutting them, maybe just cutting them smaller and putting softer foam on the outside, making them dual rate. I'm not sure, we'll have to experiment with it. tires would be of very much help. They're just not biting in at all. Benefits of dig right there. Holy cow. Come on. Roll. Having the variable drag brake is so nice. Because right there what I did is I had 150% drag brake to get myself spun round. And then I switched it to 0 drag brake as I was coming off so that it wouldn't kind of drag me down the side, so it would just kind of roll off, or at least the back axle would kind of roll off with the front. Turn everything back on. I'm going to turn off the rear axle and do just medium drag brake to see if I can drag the back end down this rock. Just about. Nope, wrong way there. There we go. Now this is one line that I have played on that this rig barely can't do. And it's annoying that it can't. Like, it's just right there. Like, a tiny bit of extra weight in the front, maybe if you put some brass knuckles on it and some softer foam, this thing would just go right up. Like, oh man, it's so close. It's like a tease. These tires have no shortage of traction except for the fact that the foams are too soft, but other than that, I actually like them quite a bit. Bummer. That was really close. I have hopped it up there, but I want it to be able to slow crawl. And I don't think there should be any reason that it can't just slow crawl that. Well, there you go guys, there is a good demonstration of what this rig can do right now and some of the things that we need to address next episode. In addition to the things that we talked about already, I want to shorten this thing maybe about an inch yeah, probably about an inch. I want to shorten it up a little bit. I'm going to shorten the front links though, because they're going to be the easiest to shorten for one. And also that shortens the amount of like flat space right here to get high centered on. So I'll do that probably next time. The suspension itself is very wibbly wobbly, and I really don't like that. I think what could help, or I think part of the problem, is that all the links come together in one really narrow point. So I think what I could do is maybe put the upper links on the outside of the chassis. That might help a little bit. But otherwise I'm not exactly sure how to combat that. And then the last issue with it is there's a weird electrical bug that I don't know what causes it yet. But basically randomly every now and then the ESCs will think they're not getting signal from the radio, but I can still control them with the radio. So I'm not really sure what that's about. I'm gonna have to look into it and mess around a bit. Well, that's about it for this video. So if you guys did enjoy, please do leave a big fat thumbs up. If this does happen to be the first video that you have seen by me, go down, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment as well. Go and hit up my social media, Instagram, Discord, Patreon. All links to all that will be in the description as always. And become a member of the channel if you want to help support the making of videos just like this one. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.